Alright guys, I'm next. Let's go! Alright guys. Oh, double trouble. But this won't be much of a trouble against these obnoxious survivors. This game is so survivor side. Alright, let's do this, Bree. Squawk, squawk! Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm lagging so hard. I'm lagging. Oh, look! Oh my god, I'm lagging so hard. Hey, it's a little birdie. Oh, survivors, where are you at? You cannot hide for too long. Yes. Gotcha. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I'm shaking. All right, join the army. Join the army. Join the army. I said join the army. Oh my god. I'm such a bad Oni. Oh my god. Hey, you, no, you're gonna join the army. You're gonna join the Oni army. I swear to god. Okay, well, at least I broke the glass. Okay. This lightning needs to stop. I can't seem to get a good hit from that guy. Where are you? Aha! Catch him, birdie! What? I see you hiding there. Oh, you think you're smart, huh? You think you're smart? Oh, screw you! Wise guy, huh? Oh, I see how it is. Wise guy, huh? Oh no! You're not gonna love me again! You're not gonna love me, you fucking... Ha! That sucked. Ah! God, I hit. Oh no, we're gonna lose. We're fucking losing. No! No! Of course he has to piss me off. Of course he has to try to piss me off. No! 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 I don't care what you ops say. BG! Your avatar is not tough and it's not sick, my little bro.